G4 is on fire. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Cannot believe that's a rust. Oh my god. Whee! Oh, is that snow? He just fell. If you own the KuKirin G2 Master, you might already know that the stock suspension absolutely sucks. Today we are going to fix that. Let me actually show you what do I mean by the stock suspension sucks. Just look at this. That right there is an extremely short amount of travel. You might be asking, how am I going to fix it? Well, let me show you something. Let's just see how smooth is the suspension on the G2 right now. Well, that's insanely smooth. So what am I gonna do? I'm going to take the suspension from the G2 and install it on the G2 Master. Obviously, that's a temporary solution and I'm going to swap them back. But this is just for this video. I just wanna know how it is to have smooth suspension on the G2 Master. Because I actually love this scooter so much. It is just that I am tired of hitting a bump and not being sure if I'm gonna see the day of tomorrow. So let's go. I shall put this scooter on a chair because that will make the work way easier. I'm going to take the rear suspension out first. I was expecting this process to be way harder. And just like that, the rear suspension is out. Oh my god, the rear suspension just got some rust on it. This is exactly why water should not get on your suspension. I cannot believe that's a rust. Anyway, I got it out. I should try to install it on the G2 Master. It looks kinda clean though. Just look at this. G2 with zero suspension. We simply have to unscrew this one and we just have to take it out. It works. What am I doing? I'm basically just pushing out this screw. Yo! Oh my god! Just look at the G2 Master, dude. Okay, this suspension should simply come out. So finally, I managed to take it out. Now it's time for the new one. So I have to put the screw back. And it's almost in position. And now we have to connect it up here. Simply get it up. Come on, come on, come on. Finally! Yo, not gonna lie, black suspension on the G2 Master looks so clean. I really wanna test it out. Let's see how it goes. Yo, there is no way! Yo, it already works way much better. Let's install the front one too. That's the locking thing. And that's the other one. And just like that, G2 has zero suspension left. This one has no rust on it. That looks so funny and wrong in the same time. Guys, I simply cannot stop laughing. I mean, just look at the G2 with zero suspension. It's so low. It's switched to sport mode. Now for the front wheel, it is pretty much the same exact process. Oh my god. That ripped my hand. Oh my god, dude. That's... Oh my god, that hurt. Okay, I have to get the front fender off. Somehow I finally took it out. I can tell that the G2 Master suspension is longer by half a centimeter. Let's install this one. So we need to put this piece in place. Okay. Nice. Now officially the G2 Master has the suspension of the G2. Let's try it out. No way. Oh my god, this is way smoother. Yo, no way. Finally, the G2 Master has good suspension! Oh my god, dude! That is way better! Let's go! I cannot believe what's happening right now. Let's take it for a spin. I'm going to be honest with you guys, it's been such a long time since I've been on the G2 Master. We already got 47 kilometers an hour! Oh, the e-brake is so strong. Whee! We are going to meet the custom G4 guy. Man, the suspension on this scooter is working so nice. Hey, let's see how fast we can go. 52 kilometers an hour. 55. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 56. 57. Come on, let's get up to 60 kilometers an hour. 58. Come on. Slicing the traffic with this scooter is just another level. Let's try to hit these bumps real quick. Okay. Whoa. Dude, I can't feel a single thing. If you have the chance to change your suspension, trust me, do it. It feels just like a different scooter. Previously, I was feeling every single bump all the way to my guts. Now I can also jump. How do you guys enjoy the G2 Master so far? I mean, right now, I'm in love with it. And that's just because I changed the suspension. Shall we try a 60 volts battery on it? I mean, that will be cool. I don't know if the stock controller can handle it though. Let's do another top speed test. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Full throttle. Come on! 56! 57! Come on! We wanna get up to 60 kilometers an hour! 58! Come on! 59. Okay, we can call that almost 60 kilometers an hour. Speed bump. Speed bumps feel so smooth right now. Just have a look at this suspension. Wow! Oh my god, that's so smooth. What's up? We've got the G4 guy in this video. Man, just look at them. We are going to take a photo shoot. Man, I'm not getting tired of this G4. It looks so clean with this paint job. I really want him to try the suspension on the G2 Master right now. Oh yeah, that is much better. I'm going to try his G4. Yo, this feels nice. And he's on the G2 Master. Okay, not gonna lie. Because he had a really hard crash on the G4, it does not feel really stable. Bro! Oh my god! His G4 is not done yet. He's still working on it. Yo, he's trying the G2 Master. Whoa! Oh my god! Yo, this guy is hyperactive. He's doing some crazy wheelies. Oh yeah! Yo! That's clean. Yo, what's up? What's up? Yo, this KuKirin G2 Pro looks insane with all the white covers, and those are sound grips. He has no throttle though. Yo, this is wild. WG2 Pro, dude. Do you all know how my G2 is broken? I really wanna see if he also has the problem with the motor. Okay, I'm gaining speed. Yo, no way! Yo, this G2 is just fine. This one has no problems. I mean, just look at this. I'm gaining speed and he's not doing brr, brr. This is how a working G2 looks like. Thank you, dude. So yeah, I guess I'm just unlucky. Look at this guy. He's setting up his camera on a gimbal. Oh, he's shooting a shot on the gimbal. That looks so sick. Check this gimbal out. Yo, this is insane. This is like the chicken head. What is that camera doing right there? It's randomly spinning. Today is such a beautiful day. Yo, let's do this jump. Yo, that was smooth. Oh, whoa. Bro, what happened? Oh my god, dude. Bro, this guy just fell in here. He's tightening his brake. That was unfortunate. He just fell because his grip is slipping away. He needs to change it. His grip is cooked, for real. Bro, that was random. So he just fell and now his steering is better. Did it happen to you guys to just fail and somehow it just fixes itself? Bro, this guy is insane. He can still wheelie. Whee! Yo, they know how to wheelie. Bro, that's insane. So they both know how to wheelie. Yo. And there he is. So uphill test, G4 and the G2 Master. He can do it really easy. And now I also can do it because dual motor G2 Master. That's nice. Ooh, I got some motion sickness. Oh. Whoa. Damn. Oh, that's a lot of smoke. Yeah. Cleaning the tire, be like. He has at least 200 degrees on that wheel. He's petting the wheel. Okay. This place is kind of slippery. Whoa! Whoa! Is that snow? Dude! I've got snow on the G2 Master! Bro! He just fell! This place is extremely frozen. Bro! Oh my god, dude! His G4 is on fire! Wow! He just lost half a tire right there. Yo, this guy just showed up with this beast. Damn! 400cc, dude. Can I sit on it? Oh, damn. He has some mirrors right here. Should I get the motorcycle, guys? Yo, W guy. This is a real beast right here. Do you guys ride the motorcycle? He's warming up his gloves. Yo, this guy is so wild. I love his motorcycle. Whoa! Right now, they're just too fast for me. I wanna thank you guys so much for watching till the end of this video. You are absolutely amazing. Stay tuned!